In today's video, let me show you how to fix Instagram reach drop suddenly. So suddenly on one of your posts or on your reels on Instagram, the reach has dropped suddenly. Then in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now this can be either a rare case, meaning this could be just for a particular post that you made. So in this situation, what you can do is try to post a few other reels or a few other posts, and if this is the case with all of the other posts as well, then this is likely due to the account may have violated the community guidelines. So what you can try out is head over to the hamburger menu on the top right, scroll down, head over to help, and right here you'd be able to see the option of account status. Within account status, if your account has violated some sort of community guidelines, you'd be able to exactly see the issue being displayed. So using this section, you can exactly identify the issue that you are facing. So you can try removing any sort of flag, hashtag, as well as tag blocks. So within the help section, if you see a hashtag that is causing an issue that you frequently use, this is the exact issue that you're facing. So from now on, you can try removing this particular hashtag and as well as the tags that you make. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.